ready to unlock a world of seamless communication solutions. Today, we're diving deep into Telnyx, a powerful platform offering everything you need for VoIP, SMS, and beyond. First, head over to Telnyx.com and create your account. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your central hub. Notice the key areas like voice, messaging, numbers, and billing. This is where the magic happens. Let's start with numbers. Click on numbers to search for and purchase a phone number perfect for your needs. You can filter by country, area code, and even specific features. Next up, messaging. The messaging section gives you access to Telnyx's robust SMS API. Here, you'll find comprehensive documentation and settings to configure webhooks for receiving inbound messages. Now, let's explore the voice section. This is where you can build powerful call control applications, explore call routing options, and even create interactive voice response or IVR systems. Finally, keep an eye on your usage and manage your payment methods in the billing section. That's a quick overview of Telnyx's core features. Explore the documentation and start building your communication solutions today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.